Hey, Papa.
Hey, Dad. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We so wish that we could be there to celebrate with you, because you celebrate us every day and remind us of all the little things in our life that we should be grateful for
Exactly.
and happy for. And I'm sure that you wish you could be kissed by the little monkey today, but he's sending you love from afar.
Miss you, Dad. Wish you were here. Want to see you soon. See you April 10th, I guess.
Yes.
But we're here in New York. We'll be waiting for you. Can't wait to do some cool stuff when you get here.
Heck yeah. Okay, love you, Pops.
Bye.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cheers. Cheers.
Happy 60th birthday, Sir Miguel. Your unwavering support, wisdom, and guidance have been a true inspiration to all of us. Wishing you a year ahead filled with good health, happiness, and success. Enjoy this special day. You deserve it, sir.
Your wisdom, kindness, and grace have touched so many lives. May your reign be as incredible as you are. Happy birthday, Sir Miguel!
Happy birthday, Sir Miguel from Albay area.
Si Ate Debit, si Ate Yam, si Ate Jenny, si Ate Christmas, Suko, Merry Christmas. Yes.
Happy birthday, Sir Miguel. Thank you po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, sir. Ito natanggap ka. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday.
Sir Miguel.
Happy birthday, sir. So, di ba?
So much for others. We hope you can take some time for yourself on your feet. Serve it as much as anyone and more than most. Again, happy birthday, Sir Miguel.
Happy birthday, Sir Miguel from Kalamagi Branch. I wish you an amazing and hope that you have a healthy, great, and blessed life ahead. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Miguel! Happy birthday po! Isa lang po ang masasabi namin, maraming salamat po sa lahat. Mula sa Dorco, Rense, Esquina, Noble, El Sueño, Papas, Bisaya! Happy birthday, Sir Miguel!
Happy 60th birthday po, Sir Miguel. Thank you po for everything.
Thank you po sa lahat nung tulong na pinrovide niyo po sa amin during ng hospitalization ko po, pati rin po nung during ng time nung kay Papa po. Hopefully ma-enjoy niyo po birthday niyo ngayon. Thank you po ulit sa lahat.
Thank you po. Happy birthday po again.